NVIDIA just held one of the biggest tech events of the year, and if you missed it, here is everything that happened in a very short video briefing. Jensen Huang took the stage at GTC 26 and opened with something nobody expected. He showed the world DLSS 5, a brand new graphics technology NVIDIA calls neuro rendering. It fuses traditional 3D graphics with artificial intelligence, and the result looks almost too real to believe. But graphics were just the warm-up. Jensen then made it clear that NVIDIA is no longer just a chip company. They now have 3 major platforms, and the newest one is called AI factories. The idea is simple but powerful. Take the structured data that businesses already have, think spreadsheets, databases, Snowflake, BigQuery, and combine it with generative AI. Jensen believes this combination will transform one industry after another, and he made a strong case for why. Then came something that hit close to home for every software engineer watching. Jensen revealed that 100% of NVIDIA employees now use AI coding agents, tools like Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor, every single day. He described AI's journey as going from perceiving to generating to reasoning, and now finally to actually doing work. That last step is the one that changes everything. On the hardware side, NVIDIA unveiled the Vera Rubin system, a next-generation computing rack that is fully liquid-cooled using 45-degree hot water. What used to take 2 days to install now takes 2 hours. They also showed off the 6th generation of NVLink, their own ultra-fast chip-to-chip connection technology, and the new Grow system, which is already in volume production. On top of that, NVIDIA announced the world's first co-packaged optics spectrum X-switch, a breakthrough where light and silicon are merged directly on the chip, built in partnership with TSMC and already shipping. But the moment that got everyone talking was OpenClaw. Jensen described it as the operating system for AI agents, and he called it the most popular open-source project in human history, surpassing what Linux achieved in 30 years, but in just a few weeks. It manages tools, file systems, schedules tasks, and can even spawn other AI agents to get work done. Jensen compared it to what Windows did for personal computers, except now it's doing that for personal AI agents. And to close the show, NVIDIA brought out a physical robot version of Olaf from Frozen. Built on NVIDIA Jetson, trained inside Omniverse, and powered by a physics engine co-developed with Disney and DeepMind, Olaf walked on stage, held a conversation with Jensen, and gave everyone a glimpse of what theme parks and robotics could look like very soon.